Hi everyone, so today I'll be trying the butterfly braids. I went ahead and pre-sectioned my hair. It looks straight, but I did not blow dry it. All I did was put it into some bantu knot overnight. So I'll be applying my shine and jam just to get a bit of a slick look. Then I'll go in with my braids. Keep watching. So I'm adding in pieces because I'm doing the knotless method. In that way the hair is flexible and I can move it into any direction I want. So as I go ahead and I plait, give it a few plaits at the root, then I'll start to take out pieces of the braids as I go down. Also, I'll be trying my best not to pull out my hair itself, but rather the braids. It's a bit challenging in that area, but I'm trying my best not to. And most of what I pulled out so far is the braids. Now it do take a bit of a time, I must say, but not that bad because I did about little over 2 hours, which isn't that bad, and I was going on consistent. I didn't stop, I just go right through, and actually it become easier as I continue, so I tend to go a bit faster than when I started off. So what I did when I reached to the bottom, I braid it down a bit and then I use a rubber band to secure it. This style is beautiful. I'm already loving it. So for this part, I'll just run through it, and as I reach to the final part, I will slow it down so you can see again how I installed it. Now we're at the last braid, and I'll be just running through this part, adding my shine and jam, and then go on in, yes, with my braid in a slower motion so you can see how it is done. So I section my hair in 3 and I go ahead and just add the braids. Most of it I use 2 pieces of braids. For some parts, depending on the size, I go ahead with 3 pieces, and then I start to take it out as I go down. So I braid it down about 4 to 5 times, and then I start taking out pieces. I'm checking just to make sure it's not my hair I'm gonna be pulling out, but the braids itself. Also, as for the size or the width of how much you take out, that depends on you and what you like. The more fuller or more butterfly you want it to look, then you pull more. If you want it to look really simple, then you can pull it less, a little less pulling. But I wanted mine to, look really butterfly, so I did go in and pull it out quite a bit. Also, depending on the size as well, because of the size that I did, not too small, more from medium size, I didn't want the butterfly part of it to be too small. I wanted to more match up with the size of the braids. Now I'm putting in some perm rods so I can have some curls at the end. I'll be dipping the end in hot water, the ends only. This is the final look. Share your thoughts. Drop it in the comments section. Give it some likes. Thank you for watching. Bye.